wonderful people. We're off to a late start this morning. For those of you visiting for the first time, hello and welcome. I'm Nana Sin. I'm a homeschooling Nana of a 4-year-old, soon to be 5 toddler. I had all kind of things planned this morning. I wanted to do some music. We got a little bit in. I wanted to do just some revision on the 2 times table what we did the other day, and I wanted to do some additions, but Reagan isn't on that run, so I'm gonna bake a pound cake. I need to do something to keep her entertained. Okay, we have all the ingredients. I think we're gonna be more organized this time, so we're using Betty Crocker pound cake. The ingredients are 2 eggs, butter, that is 2 eggs and butter, and what else? Okay, yeah. Oh, we need 2/3 cup of water or milk. We'll just use water. Okay, so I'm gonna have to get some water. I'll be right back.
Sunshine Mountain. It's a Sunshine Mountain.
Sunshine Mountain.
The map. And they're awesome. And also a Sunshine Mountain.
Okay, I get 2/3 cup of water. Hold on. You want to pour it in there? Pour the water in there. Now let me get. Oh Lord, something I missing.
My water. One water.
Okay, so.
I want more water.
No, that's enough. So let's crack the egg. Let's crack the egg. 1 egg. You need 2 eggs. That's 1 egg.
Second eggs.
Yeah, 2 eggs. You want to beat it around?
Mix them around.
Yeah, mix it around. Mix it around. And we dump the butter in.
Butter.
Mix it around. Mix it around. You gotta look at what you're doing. See the bitter bag. See? Ooh. See, mix it around.
The butter.
Yeah, that's enough butter. So let's mix it around. Keep the spoon over here with the bowl so it don't make a mess. Okay. Now let's put in the mix, the cake mix. Oh, we have a pan too, so we could be good. You know, paper could be burning up this time. Ah. Guys, I didn't get the scissors. Oh, hold on. Let me get the scissors. Hold on. I know it's something I was missing. Okay, okay. I got the scissors. So let's pour it in. I think you're gonna like this one, Reagan. You didn't like the red velvet the last time. So let's put it in. Let's mix it around. Mix it around. And last time the bowl was too big. So I try to use a smaller bowl this time. No, don't put your hand in it. Use the spoon. Let's use the spoon. You use your spoon. You don't want to use your wooden spoon? Then I'm gonna mix it around. Here, use your wooden spoon. Or you want to use this spoon? Okay, let's mix it around. See, mix. Let's do it in. Let's blend it in. Yeah, mix around. Yeah, pound cake. Yeah, we don't need no more water. There's enough water. Okay, that's enough water. Let's put that aside. Okay, let's go mix around. So how many eggs we use? We use 2 eggs, right? We use 2 eggs, right?
This is so.
Hey, how many eggs we use? Hey, we use 2 eggs. You hear the birds outside singing so nicely? So you mixing, you're doing a good job. You're mixing the cake. Good job. So mix it around. Oh, this is so lumpy. We have to get it smooth. Okay, hold it and come on, mix it. Let's mix it.
Whoa.
I'm surprised someone isn't smelling this because she likes to smell. She smells everything.
Bake a cake. Bake a cake.
Yeah, you're baking a cake today.
Cake. That's the fan. That's high.
You are baking a cake today. No, put it down. Put it down. Beat it. So you have to beat it so it gets smooth. Now I know she likes pound cake, so she's gonna love this.
Oh God!
She specifically asked for it earlier this morning as well, so I said, let me, because I was gonna put it off. And then her mommy wanted cake.
Yes, sister, time.
Okay, good job. Good mixing. So we have to grease the pan. See, you grease the pan. Now on the island, your great Grammy, your great grandmommy, what she used to do, she used to use this brown paper, and she used to spread the oil throughout the pan. But I don't have any brown paper, so Nana is going to use what she has, which is common sense. So I just spread it around. I think I may need some more. Mix it. So let's just get it smooth. Right?
This is the way you wash your days. Wash your day. This is the way you wash your days. This is the way you had the time.
Okay, I need to turn.
This is the way you had the
Reagan, I need to turn on the oven to, how much they said to put the oven on to? 350. Heat oven, jealousy grease. Oh, I have to flour the pan too. Oh, I didn't read that part. Oh, just like us, we sometimes we believe that we know how to do things, so we don't want to read no directions. But you need to read the directions if you want things to turn out right. That's just like God gives us His word as our guidance and for our direction. But some of us, we don't read it. And sometimes I might be guilty of it too. But then you need to, He is our creator.
Okay.
Yeah, let me get. Yeah, let me turn on. I have to turn on the oven, okay?
Nana, I want to bake a cake.
Yeah, you're baking a cake. You're doing a good job.
Oh.
You're doing a good job. So heat up the oven. Ooh.
This is the way.
Let's heat up the oven to 250.
Let's look at
Okay, heat up the oven to 250. Okay, you stop beating? You gotta beat it. Okay, it's smooth now. You don't want to drip this stuff about.
Nana.
Okay, so see, we have to flour the pan. Yesterday we supposed to cook her favorite lunch. When her little cousin is here, so she going to play with her cousin, and that was the end of Reagan. Let me get, keep it in here. Don't let it pour over. Just beat it around. Good. Keep on mixing. I come right back.
A few moments later.
It smell good? You want to cut it? Not the side. Oh, it's hot. No, don't touch it yet. Let me cut off a piece for you. Okay, let me cut a piece for you. Hold on, let's cut it. Oh, it's spongy.
Sweet.
Okay, you want some coconut water with it? So,
Thank you.
You're welcome. See if you like it.
Eat your meal. Eat your meal.
Oh, it's hot. You have to blow it. It's hot.
Ah!
It's hot. So blow it. It's too hot? You gotta wait. Let's wait till it cool down. Ooh. It's good. You like it? Want some coconut water? Blow, 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 blow first. Blow. Could be hot. Yum, yum, yum.
This.
Okay. Now take some for your mommy.
Cake.
Is it good?
Cake. Sweet.
You enjoying your cake? I guess it's a success. She's eating it.
Cake. So
Yes, it's a success. Reagan is eating all of our cake. Good job. You drink your coconut water? Want some more? There you go. Let's clean this up because you know you don't like arms. It's hot? Not bad at all. You like pound cake? She loved the cake, so this is probably her third slice. I don't know, but Reagan was sending to no schoolwork today. Today was good, so thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed us yet, please subscribe, please like, and hit the bell notification so that whenever I upload a video, you would be in the know. So thanks again, God bless you, and peace out from the 242, honey.